Google Fiber Internet Provider Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this review of Google Fiber, where we'll explore its features, performance, and who it's best suited for. Links to products and plans are available in the description below for your convenience. Google Fiber is a premium internet provider that delivers blazing fast speeds and exceptional reliability. Designed for users who demand top-tier performance, it offers two main plans: 1 gig, 1 gig PC, and 2 gig, 2 Gbps. These speeds make Google Fiber ideal for gamers, streamers, remote workers, and large households with multiple devices in use simultaneously. One of the key benefits of Google Fiber is its fiber optic technology, which ensures symmetrical upload and download speeds. This is perfect for tasks like uploading large files, video conferencing, and live streaming. The service is renowned for its consistent speeds, even during peak hours, providing a seamless online experience. Google Fiber stands out with its straightforward pricing. There are no data caps, hidden fees, or long-term contracts, offering flexibility and transparency. The monthly cost may seem higher than some competitors, but the value lies in its performance and reliability. Additionally, Google Fiber includes high-quality equipment like a Wi-Fi 6 router, ensuring excellent in-home connectivity. Installation is professional and efficient, with technicians ensuring the setup is optimized for your home. The provider also boasts an intuitive user interface through its app, making it easy to manage your network, check speed tests, and troubleshoot issues. However, the biggest drawback of Google Fiber is its limited availability. It's currently offered in select cities across the US, so it may not be an option for everyone. If you're in an eligible area, it's one of the best choices for ultra-fast internet. In summary, Google Fiber is an outstanding internet provider for users who prioritize speed, reliability, and transparency. Whether you're a gamer, a professional working from home, or part of a connected household, Google Fiber delivers exceptional performance. Check the links in the description to see if it's available in your area and find the right plan for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts or questions about Google Fiber in the comments below.